step-by-step plan to get him back for good. If you've recently experienced a breakup and want to reconnect with your ex, it's important to approach the situation thoughtfully. A strategic and patient approach can help reignite the relationship in a healthy, lasting way. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simplified, step-by-step plan to win him back for good. 1. Allow time for healing. Give yourself and him space to heal emotionally before considering reconciliation. 2. Reflect on the breakup, understand why the relationship ended and what went wrong. This helps you avoid repeating past mistakes. 3. Set boundaries, don't rush into constant communication. Give him the space he needs while maintaining respectful boundaries. 4. Work on yourself, focus on improving yourself emotionally, physically, and mentally. Confidence is key to attracting him back. 5. Start casual conversations, begin with light, friendly chats to re-establish contact without pushing for anything serious. 6. Apologize sincerely, when the time is right, express genuine regret for your mistakes without begging for forgiveness. 7. Be patient, allow him to come to his own conclusion. Don't pressure him into making decisions. 8. Reconnect through shared interests, suggest activities you both enjoyed in the past to bring back positive memories. 9. Take things slow, avoid rushing back into the relationship. Let it develop naturally at a comfortable pace. 10. Focus on mutual growth. A successful relationship requires growth from both partners. Commit to personal and emotional growth together. By following this step-by-step plan, you can rekindle the relationship in a healthy, lasting way. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.